Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to be making a keto jalapeno popper casserole. I got this recipe from my daughter. She does a keto diet. So what all goes into the keto jalapeno popper casserole? 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cubed, 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/8 ounce packaged cream cheese, softened, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 5 to 6 jalapeños seeded and diced, 2 cups shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 6 slices chopped bacon, and I'll be using the already fully cooked bacon. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 375. Take a 9x13 pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Take your 3 to 4 pieces of cubed chicken and put in the pan, leaving a little bit of space between them so the sauce can go through. Not going to be a whole lot of space because I'm only using 3 pieces of chicken, but it's taken up almost all the holes. And that's about as good as it's going to get, and set that aside. Now take a blender, and you can use your mixer with this, but I think this is going to be quick and easy. So put your softened cream cheese in the blender. This was 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and your 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. Put the lid on the blender. Turn your power on, and then blend it until smooth. So take your cream cheese mixture and put in between, as best you can, the chicken. And then just kind of spread it on top. Then spread the chopped up jalapenos on top of the cream cheese mixture. Then take your 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese and put that on the top. And you can use as much cheese as you want to. Put your jalapeno popper casserole in a preheated 375-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes until chicken is done. So after 45 minutes, I took it out of the oven. We will top it with the crumbled up bacon. And I'll dish it up and Dave can do a taste test. So here is the keto jalapeno popper casserole, and rounding out the meal is air fryer green beans, which is also keto friendly. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Keto jalapeno popper casserole.
Did I start a keto diet?
You might, if you like it.
Or just check it, I never know. Maybe I will. It's pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.